That's our Bun Bun. She's washing her little face. She's our baby. 12-year-old little Bun Bun, aka Cotton Butt. Oh, there she goes. And she is the queen of this house, no doubt about it. She's our little sweetheart. Give her a pet between the ears, Kara. She tapped your little ears like, what are you gonna do? Why you do that? Oh, look at those beautiful, beautiful, beautiful eyes. Let me get a shot of those gorgeous eyes. Oh, yes. Who loves you, sweetheart? We've been blessed in this wonderful way to have this beautiful little bunny rabbit. I've had her for a while. She's happy. She's the absolute queen of the house. Certainly is.